Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, you have already recognized B sound. Now I am going to show you some objects and tell their names. Let's start. What is this? It is a ball. 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 Ball starts with B sound. Ball. Ball. It is round in shape. It is a big ball. A baby has a ball. What is this? It is a balloon. 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 Balloon starts with B sound. Balloon. Balloon. Its color is red. A boy is running with a balloon. What is this? It is a bus. 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 Bus starts with B sound. Bus. Bus. Its color is red. A bus is going on the road. What is this? It is a butterfly. 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 Butterfly starts with B sound. Butterfly. Butterfly. Its color is blue. It is a flying insect. Butterflies are moving. A butterfly is flying above the flowers. What is this? It is a bucket. 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 Bucket starts with B sound. Bucket. Bucket. Its color is green. It is a big bucket. A boy has a yellow bucket. Students, I hope you have learnt all the words starting with B sound. Now take care, I'm going. Assalamu alaikum.